came in a pretty big box and it actually came pretty quick. So I'm pretty excited on that one as well. How's it going, YouTube? Alvin here, your host for the first timers, and we actually have something pretty cool that we're going to be building today, and that's going to be a baby crib, changing table, and a dresser drawer. So we purchased this from Wayfair and came in a pretty big box, and it actually came pretty quick. So I'm pretty excited on that one as well. So this is going to be a pretty interesting build here. I don't know if you guys can really see it here, but I'll kind of I'll just put it up here, make that easier. So it's going to be right in this area. And hopefully it shouldn't take me too long to build, but we all kind of know how that goes, and it usually takes forever to build something. Obviously I don't want the baby to get hurt, so I'm going to try to take my time as well on it. And I'll probably put you guys in a time lapse as well. Now I'm also going to do a separate video, and that's going to be on a Newton baby mattress. So I will actually do a separate video, so you can definitely jump in and watch that one after you see this guy put together, and I'll do an unboxing of this guy as well, and I'll tell you why I purchased it. But yeah, let's jump into the mix, and by the end of the video I'll kind of tell you if it was easy or hard to build. Keep in mind I'm going to be using Impact as a tool. I'll have some sockets as well with some adapters so I can hook it up there to try to speed up my time frame there. So hopefully it doesn't take me too long. Anyway guys, let's jump into it right now. Oh, that is actually not too bad. How long did that take me here? An hour. So literally exactly 1 hour to put it together. Overall, like I said, it wasn't actually too bad to do. Pretty much using their little hand tool and their little screwdriver as supply, so it wasn't too crazy. But yeah, it actually feels and looks great, so I'm excited. I'm gonna move on to the next part, which are gonna be the actual dresser and the changing table right now. So cool. Yeah guys, I am getting a lot of use out of my Surface headphones so far, so that's actually Has me pretty excited. Right now, I'm gonna have to stop for just a quick moment, just because I need to get ready for the baby shower. And then we'll get the last drawers up and fixed, or actually up and built. All right, guys, so, hey, I'm in a different outfit today. Unfortunately, we couldn't finish the build of the dresser the other day just because we had our virtual baby shower and we decided to have it in the room. So right now, I'm gonna continue building the dresser. Now keep in mind that the crib and the baby changer both took about an hour to build, so I'm assuming that's gonna be another hour for the dresser right now. So hopefully it shouldn't be too bad. They kind of go together. If you've ever built like IKEA furniture, kind of go together like that. But I have to definitely say the material feels better in IKEA. So when I say IKEA, don't think of like, oh my God, it's IKEA stuff. It does feel a little better than IKEA, so that makes me happy. But I'll drop the link below if you guys want to actually take a look at them. They come in different colors as well. So let's jump right in. fucked up. Okay guys, just messed up. So it's actually supposed to go the other way. This is actually the front. Oh, let's try that again. Try this again. Now that makes sense. All right, YouTube, finally finished. So it did take about an hour and a half to actually fix this, to set it up. You did notice that I did kind of mess up at one point. Did make some drill holes that I shouldn't have made, but it's what it is. So it took me a little bit of time to actually have some fun and just kind of understand what I was doing, because I guess I wasn't thinking properly. So, you know, I finally got it together. A simple mistake. So the next segment, I will unbox the bed for you guys. Anyway, guys, thank you, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Alvin out. See you next time.